It's the RH to the EEE. You rocking with the best from the CPT. You already know.
Phethu nogwatha apha esikhaleni umvundlana othile owangena entsimini 7100 silapha noRebongs.
Salute. Igama lale sequence itho i-one makavayo, you know, le game famous great, you understand. But indlela esiyenza ngakhona thina we keeping it local, you know. You know the drill, local is like. So iwenza oyenza zamane ndijula amagama oyi-one makavaye. If ufuna uyicacisa ba why khetha yena, it's up to you.
Ndicela ucela uxolo kwaye before uqale ngicela ucela uxolo because
yeah. Hayi. Retex. Qale ngenqukuva Retex o DAT oyi-one makavaye.
uRetex ekhaya litsha ngudete egugulethu. Retex uchomi yami uxolo skim sami ndinika udete.
Inqukuva yavaye.
Xolo
Dibane naye egumba ngomso. 3 months cup. EN2 3 months cup oy backyard. Group A1 my vai.
Yo. 3 months cup.
You backyard dangam.
Kruntangam. Cela ucacisa ni. Ndicela ucacisa. 3 months cup is still rocking it even namhlanje. But ngonxa kwe legend yo fana merve na.
Fane merve now.
Ndingayichuza nje just for that ndingachuza backyard. I'm going for backyard because of the 3 months cup is still doing it.
Backyard now.
Backyard ndangam.
Pizzo or madness.
Yo.
Oy one makavaye.
Yo. Yeah, ne?
No beef.
Hey.
No beef.
It's a game.
It's a game.
Ngayithathi personal game.
Man ndingayithathi personal. Kodwa ndicela ucacisa ne.
Awe.
Didi yabona ke ngoku ufuna ndibuze i-question. Nxa kundiza kuphizo no madness ne? Musical andizayithatha musical between bona bethu andizithatha ngeko productions ayithatha ngoko musical as artist nenye artist.
Yes. Yeah.
I'll go for it's cool.
Madness. Skulu.
I'll go for madness.
Awe. Masiye siye Gauteng. Pretty ugly or MAW Max. Oyiwa makavaye.
Max, I go for Max.
Max yashiyeka.
Max uyahamba number 1. Max.
Awe.
Max.
Holy Alpha oyibhinqa lokuqala uEfa. Oyi-one makavaye.
Damn, mina selection 10 nje. No. Yabona this one.
It's older than 2K.
This one I'll give it to ibhinqa lokuqala.
Ibhinqa lokuqala.
I'll give it to ibhinqa lokuqala. I'll give it to the young ones abazayinyusa lento. I'll give it to Efa. This one.
Salute.
Yeah.
Pro X or Ntwana emnyama 2 pin code oyi-one.
Pro X.
Oyi-one makashi black.
Pro X
I
pin
call
code.
personal. Game.
Pro to the X.
Iyavaye.
I'm going for him. Uyahlala. Pro to the X.
Awe.
Pro to the X.
Awe. Stocky T or Proverb. Oyi-one yashiyeka. Oyi-one iyavaye.
No. Even uProverb catalog yakhe seyimisile. Thenga ngemali yami album yakhe. First, second, third. The book of Proverb. I'll go with Proverb. I'll go with Proverb every day.
Salute. Mr. Selvin or Soweto. Pro Kid.
Pro to the kid.
Yashiyeka.
And choose him.
Awe.
Pro Kid. That's the kid.
Soweto.
That's the king.
Awe. Squatter camp. Or tear gas.
Yo. Umoya.
Squatter camp or tear gas. I'm an animal now. I go to squatter camp because the tear gas, there's few hits I can mention. Not a squatter. I go squatter camp every day. 40. Squatter camp.
Shayizandla.
It says squatter camp clap song. Isn't my own. It says squatter camp clap song.
Awe. Uris honesty. Yabona le clashiki lena like. So lokho bethelekiswe so nathi sibadibanisa nawe. So uris honesty. One must go.
Aries no nasty.
One.
I will go for Aries. Why? Because I'm an underdog. I will choose Aries because of he's an underdog. Yeah. Not disrespecting honesty scene. I will choose Aries. I'll go for Aries.
Pitori.
I will choose Aries.
Pitori.
The underdog.
Asiphakamanga. Bathi siyabaharasa.
Project ntwana yami.
Oh, abazali. Ababelieve in Mali. Pro child Osmo.
You.
One. Correct. She black. He came like personal that thing.
You. Pro child knows more.
They call them gold.
Ituigo.
Where's Pagamanga? Where's Bastilelanga? I'll go for pro. I'll go. Ntwana yami. You
Pro child.
Hey, but no man. Yo. Ay. Why did you get a selection in yes, guys, let me explain. From ukusuka ku number 1. No, when they choose the other side, bengazobana problem. Anyways, but descend decline down the kuyo. But where's Pagamanga? I'll go for pro. Tato pro. 700.
EBFU. Lena sayivala ngama 2K lena yabo. Siye kwaba you understand and bayapusha ke yaba. I think this year baya run game yeah maphenqa aspi azeka. Lizzy Lane or Dynasty. Now, then I get
not Dynasties. I'm choosing Lizzy Lane Dynasties. I'm choosing Lizzy Lane.
Lizzy Lane.
I'm going for Lizzy Lane. I'll go for Lizzy Lane.
Yeah, pushing.
You.
We salute to my guest for today. We want Maga. Guys, buza ingena le way engagement ngenhliziyo kamamakho then so bayisayingena because ayikho personal siyaziboqela nje seyi games ayiqoqo. You understand? So wonke amasoja ase Cape Town we know and they know it's nothing but love. Salute to the general.